everyone, in front of me I've got Blackview A90 and let me share with you how to reset network preferences on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system option. Let's tap, and now let's tap on reset options. As you can see, on the very first position we've got the option we're looking for, so let's tap, and here your device is informing you that it will reset all network settings, including the Wi-Fi, mobile data and Bluetooth, so not only the internet. So let's tap on reset settings. Your device will ask you if you really want to do it, because you cannot undo this action. So if you're ready, tap on reset settings and wait a second. As you can see here, we've got the information that the network settings have been reset successfully, but be aware that if you've got any kind of screen lock currently set, you will have to enter it in order to confirm the whole step. So actually, this is it. This is how to reset network preferences in your Blackview A90. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.